Hey there, 欢迎. That means welcome in Mandarin Chinese. To pronounce this correctly, start off by thinking of the word one. Now let's drag it out a bit and try and hold it steady. One. Now add a little H to the front. It's pretty small, almost a silent H. So let's say Huan. Then all we need is ying. Note that this word is a little bit shorter and it sounds different. It's ying. So putting it all together, we have Huan Ying, and that means welcome. 如果你喜欢我们视频的话，请给我们点个赞。